or threat to the world peace. The Kashmir dispute is the oldest unsolved international dispute in the world. Today, Pakistan considers Kashmir as a core political dispute with India. The exchange of fire between their forces across the line of control, which separate Kashmir from occupied Kashmir, is the routine affair that both India and Pakistan have acquired nuclear weapon potential. The possibility of third war between them over Kashmir, which may involve use of nuclear weapon, cannot be ruled out. This brutality has been documented by international, even Indian human rights organizations such as Amnesty International and Human Rights Watchdog. As Indian Human Rights NGO documented gross systematic violation of human rights of Kashmiri people by Indian military and paramilitary forces. Extrajudicial killing, involuntary disappearance, detention, rape and torture continue to be reported on large scale. The Kashmiri leaders have been repeatedly harassed and physically intimidated. They have also been denied travel permission to prevent them from exposing Indian human rights violation in occupied Jammu and Kashmir. India refused to acknowledge the people of India held Kashmir IHK have become totally. There is a complete rejection of India occupied. The people of Kashmir are engaged in heroic struggle and have continue to lay down supreme sacrifice of their lives. We must also call on Indian government to immediately end human rights violation being committed against the people of Jammu and Kashmir.
Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.